octopus things there up there.
Circles around her eyes are not there because when we weigh her, we ask her to step onto the scale. She does not like to be picked up. You have to deal with a lot of glare that's coming off the surface. So those dark feathers help pounds. So she's incredibly light. Another thing people will notice are those dark things that's different between an albatross and a gull. It's that amazing wingspan. Now, as you think, a football player or a baseball player would wear black grease paint underneath their eyes. And she's also known as a pelagic animal. Pelagic means open ocean. Is there any fresh water in the open?
Oh, wow.
Oh, wow.
Let's see if we can get with it.
Watch out, that shark.
I'll wait till they leave. Oh, just
Look at those birds, they're like, ooh, lunch.